The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a flash flood warning for northern Chatham County in southeast Georgia until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain occurring along a line extending from Bloomingdale to Savannah, or along a line extending from 14 miles northwest of Savannah to Savannah. The area of heavy rain was nearly stationary. Observations in the warned area already indicate that 2.5 to 3 inches of rainfall has already occurred. An additional 1 to 2 inches of rainfall is possible early this evening. Flash flooding is expected in and around downtown Savannah, Garden City, Bloomingdale, Savannah Airport, Port Wentworth. Precautionary preparedness actions. High tide will inhibit runoff of heavy rain, flooding areas of poor drainage in downtown Savannah. Areas most prone to flooding include Berkhorn Street and 37th Street. Avoid driving into water on the road. The water is usually deeper than it appears, and the road may be washed out. Only 1 foot of water will stall a vehicle, and less than 2 feet of water can float and carry away a vehicle. Flooding is the #1 weather-related cause of death in the United States. When encountering flooded roads, make the smart choice: turn around, don't drown. To report flooding, contact the National Weather Service in Charleston toll-free at 1-888-383-2024. Repeating, the National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a flash flood warning for northern Chatham County in southeast Georgia until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.